Here are the 10 ways to avoid porn addiction. Number 1, set boundaries for yourself and stick to them. Number 2, find healthy alternatives to fill your time and distraction from porn. Number 3, remove triggers from your environment, such as certain websites or social media accounts. Number 4, seek professional help if necessary. Number 5, keep a journal to track your progress and setbacks. Number 6, educate yourself on the harmful effects of porn addiction. Number 7, build a support system of friends or family who can hold you accountable. Number 8, consider joining a support group specific to porn addiction. Number 9, practice mindfulness and meditation techniques to help manage urges. Number 10, stay motivated and focused on your goal to overcome addiction. Brothers and sisters, porn addiction is real. There are so many people, even within the churches, your friends, your co-workers, who might be victims of porn addiction. Unfortunately, you may not know. Therefore, never undervalue the impact or the negative effects of porn addiction, because many people who are in it are failing to overcome that temptation. But I have a promise. There is nothing impossible with God. If you confess your sins, Jesus hates sin, but he loves the sinner. While we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. Romans chapter 5, verse 8. I hope this will encourage you to come into realization that what you are doing is wrong. The best way to avoid porn addiction is not to start it. But if you have already started, better late than never. Here is the time for you to make a U-turn from those sites that promote such kind of behaviors. You are with me, Victor Khaula. Thank you. See you next time.